Hi, this is Amy from Spunky Dogs, and this is question and answer time. Today's question is, we love our 1-year-old pointer Griffin, but can't get him to come at the dog park. He has a lot of energy, and the only thing that wears him out is playtime with his friends, but we can never get him to leave. We have to stay at the dog park until he is ready to go, sometimes for hours. Sometimes other people have to catch him for us, and it's embarrassing. Another pointer owner at the dog park told us to use an e-collar. What can we do? This is a really common question, and you are not alone. The first thing we need to do is to teach Griffin a really reliable recall cue at home. During the meantime, you can continue taking him to the dog park, just don't use your recall cue, just catch him like you've been having to do anyway. At home, we're going to practice this by saying his name, his recall cue, so that'll be like, Griffin, come, and then giving him his favorite treats or toys. When you start to see his face light up, you know you're ready to try it at the dog park. The key for a successful recall at the dog park is a catch and release style approach, meaning that most of the time he comes to us, he gets his favorite toy or treat and then just goes right back to playing. It's a win-win for him, and there's no reason for him not to come. When he's reliably and consistently coming when called, we can start leashing him and taking him out of the dog park. But still, even then, the majority of the times we call him, it'll just be a bonus and then he goes back to playing. Regarding the e-collar, there are only a few trainers experienced enough to use an electronic or shock collar without risk of trauma to your dog, and you'll still have to lay the same basic training foundation that you will here. If you're still interested, you can contact me for a list of sport dog trainers at the information below. That wraps up this question and answer. You can find out more things training at spunkydogs.com, and thank you for watching.